Lo! Naaway mo ako? Baka ka matulog sa bed ko mamaya. Sige ka.
Bakit wala akong ulam na
Piling ko naawa na yung blues kay Linky. Hindi yan gutom. Lag ko yung pinapakain eh. Hey, play na tayo ng song. Play natin. Anong kanta ang gusto niyo gawin ko? What song you guys want me to sing?
master ka, di ba?
Hindi pa.
Kapag yun ka rin.
Ano ba?
I want.
Pwede ba ako cricket mo?
Oh. Pwede.
Kahit cricket ako. Yun ang gamitin ko yung saan ko na.
Anything. Okay. Search a song on Spotify.
Kasi sabi ni Lord, work-life balance.
Ano song gusto niyo, Blooms?
Tapos kailangan natin yung topic lang magawa ng limay. Oo, alam mo na. Kaya for the end na tayo. Bukas.
Hi, Ma! Hi, Raho. Ang pogi ng kuya mo. Huh? Excuse me. Mas pogi ako. Raho, mag-request ka ng song or else kakatahin ko yung Lala Lost You. Ikapaya ka ba maging ready tayo na kasi? May jowa na kuya ko. No chance, we. Wala pa naman sing-sing. Talaga? Nakakaisi na ako. Baliw talaga. As a home wrecker. Ay, walang ma-wreck dito for today's video. Raho, yung mom ka nanonood, share ko lang. Raho, hindi na papayag si tita na makapag-titas tayo kung ganun ka lang. Char! Napa-OMG, tita.
Why are you so sad? Are you on the subway? Why I drive while you getting on the outside?
Okay.
Why are you so Why I'm on sunset? Are you on the subway? Why I drive while you getting on the outside? Midnight has nice, so many nights. You know if you stay, you know if you put up a fight. You're toasting blue in winter, I'm getting red. Oh, just a trip for all of the things I've done said. I'm missing out drunk in 2 a.m. strolls in Cape Town. Now you're chasing big highs in the Upper West Side. Up in the Brooklyn's in Brooklyn. Your Chelsea's in Chelsea. Hope that eases the pain. So you remember to miss me. And you sold your car. Now you walk for miles. Bet your feet feel numb. Crosswalks in my mind are shaky, so please hold on tight. All my demons run. All my demons have your son. In the city of angels.
Balik ka raw.
In the city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do. Want my demons stay faithful in the city of angels. Summer's ending now and the nights are cooling down. Remember last winter when we would drive around Silver Lake, Hollywood, feeling of the white lights got me good. Thought this was love, I was misunderstood. Low on the low, driving in no hole. If I'm honest, I cold, but I'm trying to let go. And I hope you're happy in life and taxis, but you always have me. You always have me. All my demons run wild. All my demons have your smile. In the city of angels. In the city of
Nakakainis na ako. Kung ano na sinasabi mo.
hold you. Hope it holds you like I do. Want my demons stay faithful in the city of angels. Want my demons stay faithful in the city of angels.
Raho Street area. Huwag kayo maniwala dyan. Lagi yan ganyan. Pati rin kay Krisa, ganyan yan. Pati rin kay Ate Kaori, ganyan yan. Don't laglag. Send more stickers, Blooms. Hi, Ate Lyrin. Namiss na ba ako? For the baby talk, I don't think so. Ano next song? If we reach... Sa maka-reach tayo 200K. Let's go, Blooms. Last 30 plus minutes. Kamusta ka man, Ate Lyrin? 1M baby talk, sabi ni Raho. Sige, mag-send ka, Raho. Tingnan natin. Ito, isa na lang kidney mix. Huy! Wag naman! Ito naman, nakaka-guilty naman. Binenta mo kidney mo para lang baby talk ako. Scientist. Next baby talk ka nga. Ay, wala ko. Bahala kayo dyan.
Choosing.
Oops. Oops. I did it again. Are you Franrin Layat? Ano yung Franrin? Si Kuya Franco. Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Send more stickers, Bloom. Ay, ito TJ.
I'm about to meet you. Tell you I'm sorry.
She's so high. I love ko na Ate Lyrin. Oh my God. What the hey?
Need you.
Ha?
Okay ka lang?
Request to ng Bloom.
Pwede ako mag-request?
Ano yun, Coach?
Wait, sige pa muna.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko sa kabilang buhay. Go and bow.
Hindi ko yun alam.
Ano yung natanong sa side?
I'm about to meet you. Tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are.
Makita kang muli.
Makita ka muli. Ano po yun?
Makita kang muli by Sugar Free.
Ano po yun? Let's next song. Send more stickers, Blooms. Mag-reach tayo 200K. Thank you, Ma, for sending Cumulibus. Ang title ng kanta, Scientist. Okay. Magtigil kayo, Blooms. So, gusto na yung Kuya Franco yun. Charot. Nag-assign sa live. Ganun. Thank you, Ate MJ. Uy, baka umalis si Ate Live dahil na-assign din siya, ha? For the kilig. Send my stickers, Blooms. Maka-reach tayo 200K. By cover by Emily. Come back to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart.